Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Hello, Jordan. Oh, today you are the first one, Okay, finish. Okay, HSI. Okay, continue to few second jet. Which is 23K. Okay, no problem. Later we review and see. Okay. Sunview PA and from Zhou Shenzhen and Andy Fong, okay, SNS and D next, okay, Lim KL Lim, okay, MGP, Everson Sendai, right? Harlan, okay, Harlan today actually performance quite okay lah, okay, for this market sentiment. Hello Anthony, how are you? Good evening. Okay, let me see. S1 S2 R1 R2 for US stocks, ETFS. Okay, so what? SCHG, QQQM, and SPLG. Okay. Okay, I try to find if TradingView should have, then we can review. Okay, comment RGB and Inari, no problem from Joel Chan. Okay, hello, good evening everyone, and yeah, today content, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, cryptocurrency, and FBMKLCI, followed with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan. Okay, whether you're looking for support, resistance. Okay, hello Jordan, 9988, no problem. Okay, later we covered. Okay, so disclaimer, or sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, so yeah, due to this market sentiment, okay, I believe we have lesser viewers interested into the market, so we also need your help to share around so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, at least we have a better views lah. Okay, and also the likes and comments. Okay, let's warm out first with the market outlook. At least we know what happened outside the Malaysian market. Okay, so let's start with the US market. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, weekly point of view, actually the closing not that good. Okay, they already broke below 43.4k. Okay, so even though today morning they open gap down, currently you can see Dow Jones is negative 500 points. Okay, this is a futures. So as we can see, Asian session, Euro session, the sentiment actually not that great. Okay, so this also definitely will impact to our Bursa also lah, right? So US cannot jalan. Okay, same to our Bursa market lah. Okay, even though on Friday they have made a recovery, so I was expecting they can get supported by 42.4k lah. But at the moment, you can see Asian session and Europe session market not doing that great. Okay, but for Dow Jones, take note on their crucial support, 42k and 41.7k. Okay, this is a very, very important level for Dow Jones. Okay, if they can get supported, still got chance to bounce up because this also is a 200 MAs lah. Okay, but if they break down, then very jialat already because this could be a double top breakdown. Okay, if they break and close below 41.7k. Okay, this is a Dow Jones. Okay, how about the S&P? Okay, S&P also closing not that great. They break below 5,008, break below 5,007. Okay, so now they are like breaking down below 5,007 lah. So for me is not that great unless by end of day they can recover. Okay, even though you can see Friday they are trying to supported by the 200 MAs, but looks like tak berapa cantik lah for our S&P. Okay, seems like they are struggling at the 200 MAs. Okay, at the moment, futures market only futures market, they are not doing that great. Okay, so we are seeing okay, whether they can stay above 5,007 or not. If not, we are seeing more downside okay. This also is a so-called McDonald's shape. Okay, if breakdown, balik to McDonald's kerja already lah. Okay, so if they break and close below 5,007, we are seeing more downside on the S&P as well. Okay, how about the Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq weekly point of view also not that great. They break below 20.7k, 20.3k at the moment. They are breaking down below 20k, and now they are challenging one of the important level, which is a 19.8k. So they also have a similar McDonald's shape lah. Okay, M shape, or you can say it's a double top lah. So they already break this crucial level, which is a 20.3k, and now you are take note on 19.8k. Okay, if breakdown, I think Bursa market also won't be that great. Okay, so from here we can see from the market health. Okay, you can see the US side actually still in a big correction mood. Okay, big correction mode until they break below crucial level. We are seeing more bear. Okay, so how about the oil price? Okay, so oil price I think is still not good. Okay, a weekly point of view they are bearish, but if we zoom out and see, they are at one of the crucial support zone. Okay, since when? 2022. Okay, 2023 they also supported. 2024 they also supported. So this is a WTI level, okay, which is a 65 and 67. This is a very important support zone. Cannot break down lah. Once they break down, we are seeing more downside on the oil price. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe still got chance to make some bounce up opportunity lah. Okay, but technical point of view, you can see this is a weekly chart lah. They already below 200 weeks moving averages, which also indicate that actually they are quite weak. Okay, they are in the downtrend, and the chances of breaking down is there, but I need a confirmation. Okay, just like that. Okay, how about the gold price? Gold price is still okay. They managed to recover back above 2009. Okay, seems like still alright lah. So I will put the support down to the 2855. Stay above, still ada chance to go up further or push out further. Okay, tapi if they break below 2855, we may see some retracement. But overall, gold price is super bullish lah at the moment. Okay, no any sign of weakening yet. Okay, but for the Bitcoin, no good lah. Okay, Bitcoin last week they closed with a weekly hammer, but this week you can see, previous week they closed with a weekly hammer, but last week close below. Okay, means the confirmation is not valid already. Okay, hammer pattern is invalid. So now they are back to the one of the crucial support, which is 80k. Okay, this also they are like a bit struggle at 80k already lah. If breakdown, we are seeing more downside, probably to 70k. Okay, this is a Bitcoin. How about the Ethereum? Okay, also not that great. Okay, closing very bad. Okay, break below 2003 already. So now they are at one of the psychology level, which is 2000. But for me, overall is very weak. Okay, very weak. Okay, Trump no war. Oil going to be cheap lah. Then good for Malaysia to pull back subsidization. Yes, maybe it's good. Okay, but for me, I prefer oil price to be stabilized. Okay, they don't move out too much or move down too much. Okay, this would be good, stabilized. Okay, and yeah, I think they also want to drill more oil, right? Drill, baby, drill. So this could have more supply. Okay, but by end of the day, they may have some agreement to fix the price lah. Okay, in my opinion. Otherwise, everyone in loss lah. Okay, every barrel of oil you dig up is also under, you sell under the cost so also lose money but I don't know what he want to do lah. Okay, let's go back to our FBM KLCR lah. Okay, very bad shape. Okay, unfortunately. Okay, so we do have a bounce out during February, right? But they cannot rejected. Okay, this is a weekly point of view lah. So we can see last week actually also is a very bearish candle closed down. Okay, so today they break below 1540, which is no good lah, no good for our FBM KLCI. So by looking at the bigger pictures, what we can see on our FBM KLCI, sell down, rebound, sell down, rebound, sell down. Okay, quite similar if you see the pattern. These two is quite similar, weekly point of view lah. So looks like we still got room to fall, maybe to the 200 weeks moving averages, which is somewhere around 1525. Maybe. Okay, so for me, let's back to the daily point of view. Daily point of view also very bad shape lah, because we already broke below 200 MAs. You can see even the bounce out also no strength. Okay, break below 1550, break below 1540. Okay, let me open all the lines. Okay, today they already officially break down this January support. Okay, which is somewhere around 1545. Okay, already broken down. So support and resistance lah. So the resistance would be 1545. Okay, so I think they are heading down to the 1530. Okay, which is here. This is also one of the crucial support lah. You can see since 2024 they supported here. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe got some dead cat bounce opportunity lah. Okay, just a short-term rebound. But if they break down, we may see them continue to dive down further. Okay, so take note on the 1530 lah. So overall market is still very weak. Okay, any rebound also could be an opportunity to drop further. Okay, opportunity for you to escape lah. Okay, maybe we can say like that. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, at least we have a more equal audience, 20 in YouTube and 22 in Facebook. Okay, so if can, please help me to share lah, so we can get more viewers. Okay, HSI, let's go to a Hong Kong index. Okay, HSI, as what we can see, this is a daily chart, right? You can see on the Thursday and Friday. Okay, this is a so-called rejection or so-called shooting star alike candle. Okay, so based on these two candles, you can see they are a little bit weak. Okay, there are some profit-taking activities over there. So I'm expecting they might come back down to maybe test a 20 MA, which is somewhere around 23,134 or until 23K lah. Okay, if you are talking about this gap, yeah, I think they do have chance to come back to fill the gap lah. But overall, they are still alright until if one day they break below 2500, then memang tak begitu cantik lah. Okay, if they come back down, go sideways, I think it's still acceptable. Okay, due to current market sentiment, you can see not so great, then no reason for them to push out. Okay, okay, so let's go for, yeah, I think they do have potential to come back down to fill the gap lah. Okay, especially if tonight US market closing are not that great. Okay, by the way, due to daylight saving, US market opening time would shift to 9:30 Malaysia time. Okay, so okay, let's review Sunview from Zhuo Shenzhen. Okay, Sunview so far still get supported. Okay, even though these counters you can see lah, they are downtrend. Okay, they are downtrend already below 200 MA since 2023 and end of 2023. So one thing good about them is so far due to, okay, even though with current market sentiment, they still managed to get supported above 40 cents lah. Okay, volume wise, I can say they are still alright. Okay, so since February until now, you can see they are just in the sideway, and volumes, I can say at least quite consistent volume. Okay, acceptable. Okay, acceptable. So for this case, if speaking about the opportunity of bounce up from here, I think they do have. Okay, they do have. Okay, just bear in mind this counter is below 200 MAs, is a downtrending counters. So we base on what happened back in November 2024. This is a support lah, 390 40 cents. Okay, so for this case, if you are betting on the potential bottoming, use this as your support zone. Okay, use this as your support zone. Okay, so long the price above 390, I think they still have some chance for bounce up. But if the closing is below 390, which is maybe 385 380 then no game already. Okay, they may have more downside. So this one is a little bit against the trend and higher risk, but the return I would say still acceptable because your risk is below 390, but your reward could be somewhere around 450 465 lah. Okay, so this is for more disciplined traders to KIV. Okay, you need to cut loss if they really close below 390, but I think watchable lah. Okay, watchable. Okay, how about the PA? Okay, PA also is a downtrending counter since 2024 lah, September. Okay, ever since they break below 200 MAs, never come back. Okay, high volume. Okay, a breakdown 230 on 24th and high volume sell down on 25th. So sell until 5th of March. They do have some support at 185. Okay, 6, 7, and 10. Still alright. Volume not as much as previously, but still okay lah. Acceptable. So looks like this PA they found a support at 185 lah. Okay, so maybe we can say 185 20 cents would be the support zone. Okay, as long as they don't break below 185, they do have some chance to bounce up. Okay, but the upside, I would say, tentatively we are seeing 230 first lah. Okay, due to the overall trend is very weak. Okay, as you can see, they always almost only hit 20 MA sudah kena already. So I think now they were just somewhere around 230, then is a resistant to take note lah. Okay, just a maybe day trade or contra trade. Okay, maybe hope for them to bounce up few percents like that only lah. Okay, so as long as above 185, this one maybe bottom fishing. Okay, so I can put bottom fishing strategy lah, huh? Bottom fishing. Okay, later I will share on the in the Telegram. Okay, next one, SNS. This one sudah bounce up. Let's see. Wah, sudah kena profit take. Habis this one. Okay, so this one SNS. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, we do review this on last. I think it should be Wednesday and Monday also we do review. And I do mention on Monday, the line I still draw here 340. Okay, if you are betting on the potential rebound, 340 cannot break down. So looks like they memang ada rebound. Okay, but today more on I would say looks like a sell on news. More on sell on news punya price action lah. So these few days, I think they already got some rebound trader go into the market. Okay, maybe 350 or 360 like that. So what happened today? Today market open gap up. I think this create a lot for more. Okay, fear of missing out. A lot of traders go in during the morning market opening. So they all go in lah. Okay, but the price started to sell since from 440 sell all the way down to 385. And you can see the volume is super good, super high volume. So looks like overall the seller is in control. Okay, probably someone just do a rebound trade, and with the good news, they all do a profit taking. Okay, looks like not really in a good shape lah because of the strong seller. Okay, so based on here, or maybe we can put a immediate support lah. Okay, 380 lah. Okay, if they close below 380, I think they might back to 340 or break below 340. So for me, still not in a good shape unless the next few days they can stabilize. Okay, at least they are showing some support or some buyer try to defend the price. Okay, only interesting. Otherwise, I will feel a little bit risky to do anything. Okay, so this one KIV dulu lah. Okay, if you really want to buy or what KIV dulu. Wow, DNEX also jialat lah. Okay, DNEX also just a rebound lah. So this one you can see they sell down for so many days or weeks already. Okay, due to oversold, and someone come in and do some rebound trade lah. Okay, rebound to 20 MA only. Today seller come out. Okay, so they erase the Friday gains. Okay, looks like not that great lah. Okay, not that great. So for me, just a typical due to oversold, market rebound, and market sell down. Okay, for me, this is it. Okay, and they might come back down to 240 or even lower. So for this case, better wait for them to stabilize lah. Okay, how about MGB? MGB berhad also tak good lah. Review MGB already have many sign when they break here. You can see this was a support, turn into resistance, and now continue to dive down. And this counter is quite illiquid lah. So means not many people inside these counters one lah. Okay, so they can do whatever they want. Okay, tentatively their immediate support, which was the 2024 January punya support at 60 cents level. Okay, but for me, tak berapa cantik lah. Okay, still not cantik. How about the Sendai? Sendai as well, they already broke below 200 MAs. Okay, back in February, and recently they also break one of the crucial level, which is a 50 cents level. So okay, based on here, I think they might come back down to somewhere around, okay, let me put the line, somewhere around 420 lah. Okay, still very weak. Okay, even I zoom in, I can see not much volumes. Okay, not many buyer inside. So let them dive lah. Okay, let them dive down to where they belongs. Okay, maybe they might stabilize somewhere around 420 or 3850. Also possible. Okay, so just wait lah. Just wait. Han Len Okay, this one I think we do review before because the line is still here lah. Okay, so these counters they do have a breakout on 27th of February. So yeah, slow down, diam for a few days, and Thursday, Friday, and today Monday they push up 3 days already. Okay, if you already in, yeah, congratulations. Okay, but you can plan to do some, okay, lock some profit dulu lah. Okay, because this counter also quite illiquid, and I don't know when the musical chair, the music will stop lah. Okay, but if you want to do a trading stop, take note on 455 lah. Stay above 455. Their next stop could be somewhere around 50 cents. Okay, these counters, you can see lah, they used to do some pump and dump. So I have a little bit doubt on their big trend or sustainability lah. Okay, so you need to try to lock some profit. Okay, but if you just plan to go in, no. Okay, definitely no. Okay, US stocks ETF SCHG. Okay, let's see Wow, tak berapa cantik SCHG. They already break down here. I think I do mention these counters, these tickets. Okay, they already broke below 28 or 2780. Okay, because they sideways here So once breakdown, they recently some more break. Okay, I was expecting they might come back to fill the gap lah, but they break down. Okay, so supported into resistance. So 2640 would be your immediate resistance, and also is a 200 MAs. Then 2780 would be your R2. Okay, due to previously was a support. Okay, so R1, R2, and where is the S? If you want R3, 29. Okay, so 25 can 25 would be your S1. Since they already break down, so I use 25 as your S1. Okay, a stronger one would be somewhere around 23 lah. Okay, but in between, looks like my job is every $1 is a support lah. It's like easy job for me 225, 24, 23. Okay, every $1 is a S1, S2, S3. Okay, easy for you to remember lah. Okay, 2640, 2780 also agak-agak about $1 one levels. Okay, how about the QQQM? Okay, let me see this one. Okay, QQQM also the same. Support turn resistance. So 202.5, 210 is your R1, R2. And how about the S? Okay, they have a small gap here lah. So I can use a 194 as your immediate support. Okay, S1 and S2. If speaking about the stronger one, I would say somewhere around 18 something already though. 184. Okay, 184 would be a stronger S2. Okay, I would say it's a S2. Okay, how about the SPLG? Spider. Okay. This yet to break down, but okay, they are at their immediate support 6670. So the resistance, okay, support and resistance, right? 6880 is your R1, and $70 is your R2. Okay, I will use 70 lah. Okay, and tenor on 6670 is your immediate crucial support. If they break down, next level 66 is very near lah. So I don't want to put so near for you. I put 63. Okay, 6350 is your S2. Okay, so next back to the let's back to the Malaysia counters. Okay, RGB. Okay, RGB for me is not that good looking. Okay, because they already broke below 200 MAs, but confirmation, okay, you still can have confirmation 375. Okay, this is a crucial, now they are at the crucial support. Okay, if they can stay, still got chance lah. Okay, tapi if they close below 375, tak boleh already, they may go to 350. Okay, 350 also is one of the crucial support lah. Okay, so this is your S1, S2. Okay, if one day they even break below S2, I think they may go to 30 cents level. So take note on S1, S2 lah. But technically, they are not so good. Okay, bear is still in control. Okay, how about the Inari? Wah, lagi tak boleh Okay, what happened to Inari? Okay, what we can see here. Okay, Inari is still below all moving averages. You can see they do have a sell down. Even the bounce up, also no strength. Okay, they macam kena rejected or resisted by 208. Today another dive down. Okay, volume not so much lah. Okay, when they sell down. But we yet to detect any buyer or big buyer come in yet. Okay, so let them do whatever they need to do until we see something. Okay, they even break below this level, which is a 2023 punya one of the bottom. You can see back in when 2021, right? 2021 they have a big downtrend. Okay, and 2023 they found a bottom, and then they go to 4 ringgit level lah. Okay, now they back to or we can say they break below here. Okay, one of the crucial support back then. Okay, already break down. So based on here, I think they do have more downside lah, unless we see some reversal signal lah. Okay, next support could be somewhere around 175 already. Okay, so I would say don't catch the falling knife lah. Okay, still very weak. Okay, how about the 9988? Okay, quite similar with the what I say it's quite similar with the HSI. Okay, Friday what happened? Shooting star lah. Okay, and today confirmation. Okay, so based on here, due to they have a gap up on 6th of March, right? So we may expect they may come back down to fill the gap somewhere around 130. Okay, we just monitor here first lah. Okay, if 130 fail to hold, okay, next gap 125 first, then 122. Okay, we take note on these few gaps first because for me if they come back any of the gap to be fill any gap, I would say they are still in a healthy mode. Yeah, but of course if they can get supported above 130 is the best. Okay, but if they break down, okay, still acceptable. Okay, even they come back to fill the gap here, I think okay, boleh tahan. Okay, still boleh tahan. Tapi if they break below 122, I would say tak berapa cantik already. Okay, more on weak already. So last time I used to mention 114 is a very very crucial level lah. If they break below 122, I expect Alibaba may go big sideways. Okay, but if they go below 114, the whole game might be over. Okay, not so good lah. Okay, so hopefully they just come back to 130. Worst case scenario 122 lah. But if they go way below 122, I think overall not so good. Okay, by the time we need to review again Okay, how about the what? Yueshu property. Okay, this still ada chance lah if we base on what we can see here. Okay, recently they go back above 200 MAs. Okay, just that these few days they are just in a sideway. Okay, based on the uptrend channel, okay, so-called uptrend channel, looks like, okay, if they want to pump up further, I would say somewhere around $7 plus lah. Okay, I don't want to put too much yet lah. Okay, I would take note on 720 to 750. Okay, within this range lah. Okay, because previously they will hit here, come here, hit here, overshoot a bit, come here. Now nearby here, so I expect they might somewhere around here. Okay, to be more conservative lah. Maximum I see somewhere around 720 lah. Okay, but in between, yeah, of course you do have resistance at maybe 620. Okay, then a gap here, 690. Okay, they have a gap down here, right? So you also need to take note 690 like that. Then you only see 720, 750. Okay, this is a resistance you need to slowly take KIV lah. Okay, how about the but for me, I think they do have potential lah. Based on the movement or okay, how about the UEMS? Oh, susah bro. Okay. I don't know what to comment. Okay, UEMS as here already give us a warning lah. Okay, give us warning, but not a confirmation yet. Okay, here already tell us that UEMS the uptrend sudah turn weak already, so we need to be careful. Okay, so maybe you need to start to lighten your position, or at least don't buy lah. Okay, so here also, although they try to make a comeback, tapi they fail. Okay, they kena rejected down. So maybe on average, you can see they are on the sideways movement here. Okay, and the second warning was when they break below 90 cents and 935 lah. No good already mah. Okay, if you want a third warning, they break 82, they break below 820. Okay, this is August 2024 punya support. And recently break down. Okay, last week break already 820, and looks like they still got room to fall. Okay, so you can see last year or 2023 they can went up so easily. Now if they want to come down, they also can come down easily. Okay, so we still need to review level by level lah. So the next support could be somewhere around 670 like that. Okay, so weak is still very weak. Okay, I still yet to see any sign of rebounding, and we don't know where is the low yet. Okay, we don't know where is the low yet. We only can refer back to the historical chart. Okay, historical data. Okay, back in the 2023. Okay, they want to support here, but okay, when the market sentiment is very weak, they don't care about the support already. Okay, they will just whack all the way down. So what we need to wait is a big buyer to come in yet first. Okay, at least we can see some confidence from the big investor or big fund or big institution. They come in to support the price. Okay, then we as a retailers only follow lah. Okay, our fund is not enough to push the price lah. Okay, same to VS. Also warning given when they break down here. And second warning when they break down 940, 950. So, tak cantik lah. Okay, same story. We also don't know where is the low yet. And you can see there has been in a sideways zone and breakdown. Okay, so I think still got room lah. Still got room to fall lah. Okay, next support could be somewhere around 815. Okay, so for me, I will still we still need to be more conservative lah. At least wait for some reversal signal to appear. Then at least we only try. Okay, we don't buta jump in and tembak. Okay, later kena cut loss. Okay, not worth lah. Okay, not worth. So this one wait dulu lah. Wow, if our market lah every day like that lah, I also need to go McDonald's work already jialat loh. Okay, how about the MFLA? Okay, MFLA also tak boleh lah. Okay, MFLA already break down 510, break down 50 cents. Okay, so far I can say even though they try to build a base here, okay, they try to build a basement or we can say it's a ground floor here. Okay, now they've already started to build a basement already. Maybe this is a B1. Okay, here is a B2 already. So I think you think this is a floor, right? But they can build a basement. Okay, still got room to go down lah. Okay, so by looking back to where to punya support could be somewhere around 465, 460 lah. Okay, so low can be lower, cheap can be cheaper. Okay, at the moment this is what we can say on current market sentiment. Okay, so yeah, I haven't seen any signal that we can start looking look into it. No yet, not yet. Okay, would like to continue from MU last Q review again. Okay, okay, your question last. Okay, okay, let's go for the Asia Ply. Yeah. Okay, still all right. Okay, if you don't know, in our Bursa market, interestingly, those penny counters, like those 10 cent, 20 cents, sometimes they are not really impactful from the outside market one. Okay, they can have their own sentiment. Okay, so for this Asia price, so far, I think it's still okay lah. 4th of March, they also have some volume come in, right? But these few days, okay, these 4 trading days, you can say actually they don't have much volume come in. So most likely these counters will continue sideways lah. But if speaking about the trend, I think they still give you some hope lah. Okay, still got some opportunity lah. Okay, but take note, this counter is high risk. Okay, high risk. Because once they go into coma, okay, now at least they show some trend lah. But once they go back to coma like this sideways, they could go may coma for half a year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, also possible punya. Okay, so but at least now they got show some trend so still got some opportunity lah. Okay, but high risk I would say they are high risk. Okay, Plytech. Okay, Plytech I can say they already not that nice because first warning, breakdown 200 MAs. Second warning, okay, this was a support, right? 310 30 cents already breakdown. Now closing 295. So for me, Plytech tak berapa cantik. Okay, unless they can go back above 30 cents. Okay, with volumes lah, then maybe it's still okay. But now tak berapa boleh. Okay, how about the SSF? Okay, still okay. Tak berapa. They don't have much movement. Okay, just that they recently, you can see they are just sideways within here. Okay, 380410 sideways only. So they are also pending for direction, either go up or go down only lah. Okay, but previously you can see last year not able to go up, right? They come back down and go sideways. Now they try again. Okay, technical point of view, the chances of going up is there. Okay, is there. Okay, but provided lah, don't break below 380 lah. Break below then take times lah. How about the UUE? UUE holding, memang tak boleh leh. This is what 2024 July, so less than a year only these counters. Quite volatile the way they draw the chart. Pump out, sideways, pump out, come back down. So you can see they used to sideways around here. So expect these counters may continue sideways around here. Okay, which is somewhere around 620 to 70 cents level. Okay, I expect they might just go sideways macam ini lah. Okay, maybe 620 to 680 lah also can. Okay, but overall is weak. Okay, overall is weak. What I can guess is maybe they just push out to liquidate, press down to reaccumulate. So they may take some times lah. So at the moment I see nothing on this yet. Okay, so yeah, wait lah. Okay, how about the AUMAS? Ini pun tak boleh Okay, this crucial support already broken down. 770, 790 also sudah pecah. Okay, maybe I put here lah. 755. 755 sudah pecah. Okay, so you can see this is a so-called double top already. Okay, breakdown tak cantik already. Okay, now at one of the breakdown already, right? Now at another support. Very important already. 690 also is a 200 MAs. Okay, so the chances of continue to dive down is there. Okay, but I will give them some buffer lah. Okay, at least they can swing a bit. Okay, 670, 690. Okay, Friday they do have a little bullish candle supported by 200 MAs, but without volumes. Today erase all the gains. So take note 670, 690. Okay, if break, memang susah already. And this will become a McDonald's breakdown. Okay, so yeah, hopefully they can stay above 670 lah. Otherwise, tak cantik already. How about the SFP? Tech. Okay, also tak berapa boleh ah. Okay, even though they have high volume on 26th of February, also couldn't help anything. Okay, so yeah, when we spotted the high volume macam ini, yeah, of course it's worth to KIV. But you can see the next few days they not really push out, means sudah tak boleh lah. They somehow break below the support. So overall SFP, I would say still weak. Okay, still weak. And if you want an immediate support, I would say is a 250. So yeah, let them build some base dulu lah. Okay. Maybe they might build a base here and do have potential to rebound. Also possible. Okay, but if they break below 250, you may see more downside. Okay, how about the Kenergy? Kenergy is a what? K1. Okay, K1 is quite a new counters, right? 29 May. Okay, recently break below 2050 MA means the short term not so strong. Okay, now back to one of the support. But for me, overall, the momentum is still favored to the bear. So take note on 615 is their immediate support. And 6685 would be their immediate resistance. Okay, but for me, no volumes. Very susah to see. Okay, if low volumes, they can easily push the price up or press the price down. Okay, means the buy Q sell Q is very thin. Okay, so anything with a small amount of money you can push the price. Okay, so that's why you can see not much volume and they are a bit volatile over here lah. Okay, based on what I see here. Okay, how about VTRUX? Wah, susah leh. Okay, bro, sudah break 375, break 340, break 3 ringgit. And they jump down like waterfall. Okay, wow. So this one back in the 2022 punya support also break, no give face at all. So by looking at the big pictures, if you bought it since 2020, like end of 2020 lah, it's like wow, you lose money already. Okay, even though you got maybe you might earn some dividend, but you can see already break below 3 ringgit. Tak cantik already. So based on here 260, 261, right? Technical point of view, the support could be 2 ringgit level. A strong one, a strong one. Before 2 ringgit, maybe we can see about 230. Okay. So since they already break below the crucial support, which is a 3 ringgit, 3 ringgit will turn into resistance. And at the moment, I didn't see any sign of rebounding or any stabilize. Okay, you can see they just keep on going down only. So based on here, maybe we can wait here or wait here. Okay, at least we wait for something lah. So I will say you set alerts maybe somewhere around 230. We see any chances. Okay, Trump no war, oil couldn't be cheap. Okay, yep. But I feel by end of the day they will have a agreed price lah. Maybe they will stabilize the price. At least everyone make money lah. Okay, the oil company also need to make money ma. Okay, Dayang, yeah, Dayang also is a so-called oil, right, related. So this one warning already given earlier when they break 200 MAs, retest, fail. Okay, then I think I also have a warning at maybe 2 ringgit level. Okay, here also break down already. 187 also break down already. So overall Dayang is very, very weak. Okay, very, very weak. And just now we also see the oil price not so good, right? So I think they still got room to go down. Okay, still got room lah. Okay, tentatively if speaking about the next strong support I would say somewhere around 140 already. Okay, so let's wait somewhere around there. We see any chances. Okay, Yuli Cha Sui. Okay, waterfall. Okay, if you watch our live session before, I do mention these counters sooner or later they will throw down lah. Okay, just like what happened here. Okay, for me, I will never touch this kind of counters due to the uh, uncertainty, or we can say it's quite manipulative lah. On this counter is quite easy to throw down and push up by macam musical chair like that. So this one do nothing lah, don't do anything. Okay, SFP we covered already. We go for the DNO. Okay, DNO still okay, not that disappoint. Okay, at least they come up a bit with volumes on Friday. Okay, they come up to fill the gap. Okay, so let me see. DNO review. Okay, so for these counters, today closing is 136. So they already filled the gap. So next, what they need to do is go above 145. Okay, so for these counters, if they can close above 145, maybe they do have chance to rebound up further. Okay, so since Friday they have a highest volume, right? On recently recently high volumes. So we can use a low 128 as their last defense. Okay, or the support lah. If the next few days they sideways, still okay. Okay, still okay, still ada chance. But if they break below 128, sorry, tak cantik already lah. Okay, because they have a highest volume here, so we expect, or we can maybe speculate that maybe some big buyers trying to push the price up. Okay, assume that their average cost is around 128 and hope that they can defend the 128 level. Okay, so I will use a 128 as the immediate support lah, and hope that they can clear above 145. Okay, at least this one got some sign of bottoming and sign of some rebound. Okay, how about the Genting? Okay, Genting, due to they have a gap down on 28th of February, so overall is very weak. Okay, they found a bottom on 5th of March, okay, which is 308 lah. Okay, recently got some bounce up. Seems like they are trying to defend the price, but overall it's very weak lah. For me, it's very very weak. Okay, so review. So for me, I will say even they can go up, also might come up to test a resistance, which is somewhere around 3.5, 4 like that. Okay, would be the next resistance. So for this case, you need to keep on watching on the low of the day. Okay, so today's low is somewhere around 318. So make sure they are above 318, should be okay. So if tomorrow they continue go up, okay, if tomorrow they continue go up, then you move your low to the tomorrow's low. Okay, so at least you can keep on monitor. Okay, because most of the time sometimes they just sell down, and they just do a dead cat bounce. Okay, once they bounce and they realize don't have buyer to continue to buy the stocks, okay, they will continue to dive down. Okay, this is what potential scenario lah. Okay, potential scenario, but we still don't know how high they can bounce until. Okay, so tentatively I put a target lah, is somewhere around 354. Okay, due to the previous support turn resistance. But meanwhile, we also need to monitor lah. Okay, in case they suddenly U-turn. Okay, so at least we can get escape. Okay, but if compare both, I will prefer to KIV DNO lah. Okay, how about the Pekat? Pekat. Okay, Pekat, even though Friday they have a sell down, okay, but they do supported by 110. Today more on neutral, not really going anywhere. So for me, still okay lah. At least Pekat, these counters is still in the uptrending. Okay, now it's more on the small profit taking activities or small correction. Okay, so yeah, technically got a little bit topish lah. Okay, but hopefully they can stay above 110 lah. Above 110, I can say they are still alright. Jaya Tiasa. Jaya Tiasa, okay saja. Not so strong. Okay, you tend on the support lah, 115 and 110. 115 and 110 lah. Okay, take note on 115 and 110. This is a support zone to take note. Okay, if they break down, no good. Okay, break down, no good. Okay, how about the IJM drop signal stops? Let me see. Ooh, short term stop only lah. Okay, maybe I can say due to you can see they do deep dive down for so many weeks already lah. So just in conjunction, 2 ringgit is a psychology level. So by zooming in, we can see, yeah, indeed, these few days they are trying to defend the 2 ringgit level. So you take note on 2 ringgit. If they can stay above, I think it's good for them. And hopefully they can minimum. Let me see, yeah. Hope they can minimum go back above 220. Okay, if they can go above 220, I think they do have potential to bounce up further. Okay, tapi if they go sideways, still got up lah, still guessing. Either they want to break up or break down only. Okay, because this counter is still below all moving averages. So now it's a challenging 20 MA dulu lah. If they can go up and stay above 20 MA, which is somewhere around 220, maybe they do have chance to challenge a 50 MA or 100 MA or 200 MAs. Okay, otherwise they may go sideways. But if you very interested, make sure the price above 2 ringgit lah. Okay, below 2, if below 2, they may have another 10% downside, maybe to 180. Okay, would be the next level already. Okay, stop. Drop signal stop. Yes, maybe just slow down. Okay, I would say slow down selling. Okay, but yet to show some bullishness lah. Okay, maybe short term due to oversold, they may attract some short term bounce up lah. Okay, National Gate still tak bagus. Okay, still tak bagus. Okay, even though on last Tuesday, right, they have a so-called harami pattern, but you can see they do have some rejection here. Okay, then the next few days actually not really jalan anywhere lah. Okay, but Friday got a little bit stronger seller. Okay, and today break down 130 already. Okay, one of their crucial level 130. You can see back in the 2024 February punya support, they already break down. So now they are back to the 2023 punya support 110. Okay, and you can see this net gate they sell down, pull back, sell down. Okay, so I still yet to see the sign of slowing down or sideways, something like that. Okay, not yet. Okay, so this one tunggu lah. Okay, also tunggu lah. Okay, how about the UG Tech? Okay, UG Tech already below 200 MAs. Very weak. Okay, still weak lah. Okay, not until very weak lah, but they already started to turn weak. Okay, unlike previous trend, they are still in the uptrend. Now they are turning into downtrend. So these counters their crucial level. Okay, now already give you a first warning lah. Break down 200 MAs. Second warning is here. 355 360. Okay, if lagi breakdown, memang very ugly already. 355 360. Okay, Coraja. Okay, Coraja, surprisingly, they not really sell. Okay. Okay, even though on 4th of March, they have a breakdown below 475, but the next day, they do a so-called harami pattern. Okay, and next day, bounce up. Okay, these few days, they not really going anywhere, just go sideways. So for me, it's very good for these counters lah. At least they recover back above 200 MAs level. So speaking about the chances, I would say yes, possible. Okay, possible. So for this case, I will put my support down to 455. Okay, 455, 475. Okay, so above these two level, I think it's still okay. So and tentatively, maybe you can use 50 cents as your immediate support. So this one, I will say, if speaking about a chance, okay, I say yes lah, boleh lah. Okay, don't break below 455 can already. So it's about 10% risk, 10% plus of risk. Okay, any stocks can buy at Bursa. All macam wanna die already. Okay, already dying. Okay, depends on your intention. If you are short-term trader, if you are trading, no. Okay, if you are swing trade, no. If you are maybe value investor, okay, yeah, of course you can plan for the dollar averaging. Maybe every few percent you will start slowing to add on, add on, add on. So during this time, who are the happiest? Yeah, of course, it's a value investor lah, because they can get at a cheaper price. But for traders, susah a bit lor, because we only can long the market, right? So even you can short lah, IDSS only intraday, so very susah to trade. So if you only can long the market and you can see the sentiment is like 600 or 700 of counter is red for trader is not so friendly lah. Okay, for trader quite susah. Okay, sometimes you do nothing is better. Okay, you do something you go and do something go and trade something maybe you lose more money okay, maybe you go to do Grab or what maybe better. Okay, so yeah, depends on which role are you in. Okay, if you are investor, of course you are very happy lah. Okay, finally got big sales already. But if you are just trader, yeah, of course, susah a bit. Okay, so maybe need to wait for the sentiment to come back. Okay, so for CMB, not a good shape now. Okay, no good already. So previously, I do mention CMB. They has been in this zone for so many months since last year September. Okay, one thing I worry about is this level 770, and also it's a 200 MAs. Okay, this is what I worried. They not able to get supported. Okay, so from here we can see actually they already officially break down below 770, which is not good for CMB. So technical point of view or if you based on the market cycle, you can see this is an uptrend, this is a sideways, this is a breakdown. Okay, so there has been sideways here for a couple of months. This could be a place for them to do a distribution. Okay, since they already broke below 200 MAs, so we may say this is a first warning that the market may turn into downtrend. So take note, 770 and 785 would already turn into resistance. Okay, if they come up back, okay, they test, still unable to stay above, then it's a second warning already. Okay, if they can go up back above 785, okay, example they close at 790 like that then maybe still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, so take note first warning already break down here. So if they retest, not able to go through and continue to dive down, I think the next level could be 680 or 665 already. Okay, so take note first warning warning that not so good turn around already might turn the trend. Okay, Maybank, they are still good because they are still above all moving averages. Yet to happen anything bad lah. But you can, if you are more negative person, you can say, hey, this is a first, this is a first top. This could be a second top. Okay, but for this case, you need to wait them to come back down to 10 ringgit. You only need to worry. Okay, if they break below 10 ringgit, memang is very worrying. Okay, at the moment they are still above 200 MAs, above 150 MA, still above 20 MA. So technical point of view, they are still okay. They are still okay. Okay, they are much stronger than CMB at the moment. At least they don't have very big sell down. Okay, just a small profit taking activity. So I think it's still acceptable. And for me, I will set my warning at maybe 1030 lah. If break below 1030, maybe need to start to see what happened already. Okay, this is my first warning. And second warning is a 10 ringgit. Okay, 10 ringgit also is psychology level. If they break down, memang no good. But at the moment, we only can use our imagination and see, maybe it's a double top. Okay, but yet to happen lah. So at least we aware that this could happen. Okay, just like that. Okay, so depends on your intention as well lah. If you are a trader, you know where to exit. If you are investor, you know where to get in. Okay, so MSM. No good. Okay, ever since they break below 125, no good already. So these counters may continue their sideways journey lah. So they could go down back to 110 or 108. Okay, so at the moment, no comment yet. Okay, how about the capital A? Oh, you can see they memang do something, what we call fill the gap. Okay, they do have a gap down here, right? Right. So today what happened? Today market open gap up. They come back here 865, 875, just in conjunction to fill the gap. But by end of day, okay, they gonna press down lah. So based on here, I think they just come up to fill the gap. Tak cantik lah. So capital A, you can see they already have a first warning, breakdown 200 MAs. Second warning, retest, fail. Okay, press down again. So for me, overall, capital A is still very weak. Wow. Petronas Chemical. Oh, this one many people like. Before I do a live session, I didn't aware about these counters at all because it's a few ringgit counters. I never think about this counter before. But after I do a live session in Sifu, I saw a lot of people ask about these counters. But so far, this one is still weak lah. Okay. But if speaking about the potential bottoming, I think we can judge that they do have potential lah because they have been sideways around here since end of February. So take note on 365 as your immediate support lah. Okay, but overall I would say they are still very weak. Okay, they are still very weak. They could be go sideways here and may have some short-term bounce up and continue sideways. Okay, this is I think is their movement lah. Okay, how about the EcoWorld? Okay, EcoWorld I think is still alright. Okay, still in the uptrending. They yet to break below the 200 MAs. So I will say still okay. So take note on 180, your immediate support. And 200 MA is a 175. Okay, but for me, it's more important is a 168. Okay, yeah, look fat, very important. Okay, if they break down, memang no good. Okay, now we can see they do have some sign of more on weakening, but not until bearish lah. Okay, we can see this one is a first stop, right? Okay, so they have a retracement. When they rebound up, okay, you can see the high is getting lower. Okay, so at least you can see actually they are not that strong already. Okay, the bounce up. Okay, but the confirmation, I think they need to break down 168 lah. Okay, if they break down 168, then they do have potential to change of trend. Okay, but now already have some symptom, but not yet confirmation. Okay, just at least you know what happened lah. Okay, how about the Simprop? Simprop tak cantik, already broke down below 200 MAs. Okay, now, okay, first warning, right? Break 200 MAs, tak cantik already. Okay, second warning here. Not yet break lah, Take note 128. Okay, if break down, susah lah. Okay, may go to 110 or 930 level. So take note 128 level. OSK. No one asks growth. Everyone give out already their growth. OSK, for me, the breakout consider fail because previously here was a resistance, right? So they break out. Supposedly they need to stay above 180 lah, but today break below 180, closing 178. So for me, consider a breakout fail only lah, but it doesn't mean that they will turn into downtrend yet. Okay, but I noticed they quite like to revisit the 20 or 50 MA lah. So for me, might be just a healthy retracement back only. Okay, this counter is still above 200 MAs. So, yep, still alright. Okay, how about the SDG? SDG not really going anywhere. Okay, they just get resistant, keep on getting resisted at 507. So now back to the support 480, 468. Okay, so more sideways lah, more on sideways, but above 200 MAs. So for me, it's still okay, these counters. Okay, how about the Lee SK? Okay, Lee SK, I feel Lee Siu Cat, I feel they don't have much transaction. Okay, even though on and off they have high volumes, but not really going anywhere. So tentatively, I put the support at 495 lah, but nothing much interesting yet. Okay, nothing much yet. So EP, if you EP, you need to have patience. You need to have patience. Okay, if you want to EP, your cut loss you set below 495. Okay, maybe somewhere around 550 cents, 505 still okay. Okay, but you need to have holding power because I don't know when they only can jalan. Okay. Yeah, market so bad already. I think susah a bit. Okay, P Trans. Oh, P Trans quite good because they bounce from 200 MAs. Friday got volumes. Today, not much volume. Push up. Okay, but at least they try to defend the support lah. So this one, if you're looking for resistance, okay, 760 is your immediate resistance lah. Okay, if you want to aim for the next resistance, you can take note on 80 cents. Okay, MRCB. Oh, sudah susah lah. Okay, MRCB as many, how to say, many warning has been given lah. You can see. Oh, the orange line is a 200 MAs. Sudah give so many how to say, warning that they are not able to recover back above 200 MAs. And also, second warning, 480 already broken down. So today, they somehow broke below 40 cents. So many crucial supports. Semua break semua. Okay, no give face at all. Okay, next level could be 360. Okay, 360, 330 is your S1, S2, but nothing. Okay, don't do anything yet. Okay, how about the Mr. DIY? Hope last hope already 133, 135. Okay, this is a support back in 2023 August, 2024 February. Okay, 133, 135 is your support zone. If they break below 133, you may see more downside lah. Okay, and they are already below 200 MAs. So susah a bit susah a bit. Okay, about Tenaga. Okay, Tenaga is also giving you a warning already because they already broke 200 MAs, resisted by 200 MAs. Okay, confirmation is when? 13 ringgit. Okay, RM 13 lah. If they break down, the investor happy loh, they can buy more. Okay, now still weak. HL Bank. Hong Leong Bank not able to go through 21. Gonna press down. I think they might come back to test a 20 MA lah. 200 MAs, 20 ringgits. Ecovest still other story? No. Okay. Already broke down. Wow. Okay, one of the crucial level 30 cents they also broke down already. Okay. Don't do anything lah. Okay. 不要想不开先. Okay. At least wait for something. Okay. No point for us to take the risk to buy the low and getting lower and lower. Okay, Genting Malaysia weak leh. Okay, the open gap down, no strength. Okay, these few days is more on stabilizing lah. Okay, market is going sideways. Okay, just that buyer, no people want to sell, no people want to buy. Okay, so the price stagnant. Okay, so but I can say technically they are still very weak. Okay, no one asks growth Then if no one asks, then we don't mention because nothing much also lah. Let me have a quick look through don't see lah. Okay, don't see better. Okay, growth don't see first. Okay, no good. Very disappointing. Okay, how about Gamuda? S1, S2, R1, O2. Okay, Gamuda also got a sign of weakening. You can see the high is getting lower. Okay, so this retrace, when they go up, the high is getting lower. Okay, compared to previous high. So sign of weakening, but doesn't mean that they will turn into downtrend Okay, just that they might go sideways macam ini only. Okay, so for their immediate resistance 415 430. Okay, and maybe I will use here 445 415 430 445. I'll run out to R3. And for the support, maybe I will use a 4 ringgit. Sorry, 4 ringgit and 380. Okay, S1 S2. Okay, if Gamuda break below 380 memang no good lah, memang no good. Okay, maybe something lah. Okay, maybe we need to review again if they break down. Okay, how about a telecom? Okay, telecom is still fine. At least they managed to bounce from 200 MA. So I will say these counters is still okay. Okay, then on 7 ringgit, your immediate resistance. Okay, this one at least they do have a stress test 200 MAs, even though they break below 200 MAs, but they managed to recover above. Okay, now above 680, I think is good for them lah. Okay, still alright. Okay, how about the Pekka? Okay, Pekka is still okay lah. Pekka. Okay, above 146, still alright. This one I feel a little bit but still okay lah. The trend is still okay lah. At least they not really have any sign of weakening yet. So take note 160 as your next resistance only lah. So long above 145, not 145. Maybe here. I give them some buffer until 142 lah. So long they are above 142, I think it's still okay lah. The trend all still healthy, still okay, and take note on your next resistance only. Yeah, for trader, we very concerning about the trend. Okay, we very concerning about the trend. Okay, if the trend or if the counters or the market sentiment is bear, okay, it's very difficult for us to go against them. Okay, we are going against the trend. Okay, so for trader, we need a bull trend. Okay, now market is more on bear lah. So if we buy, we are like you lose more than win. Okay, not so worth lah, I would say. Okay, but for this bear trend, okay, investor paling happy lah because they can buy at the discounted price. Okay, for those who are for those who are investors, they know the intrinsic value or they know the market is okay, the counter is undervalued. Okay, they know where is the price they want to buy more. Okay, so for trader is different now. Okay, if the trend is not there, very difficult for us to trade. Okay, because we only want to trade for 1 month or few days only ma. Okay, Edaran also no good. Already break down below 200 MAs. Volume wise okay only tak berapa encouraging lah this one. Even though you can see they have a bounce up Thursday rejected already. Okay, they just bounce up, rejected. Okay, due to oversold, rebound, tak boleh go through. Okay, kena rejected. So no point. Okay, no point. Tonight I think I only saw 2 counters that do have potential for bottoming only lah. The rest susah a bit lah. But yeah, due to current market sentiment, maybe you also need to take note on the US market sentiment lah. Okay, if by tonight they are able to close green or recovered, at least tomorrow our Bursa still got chance to bounce up a little bit more. Okay, but if tonight the closing is a negative 300 points, negative 500 points, then susah juga lah. Okay, very hard for our sentiment to turn good. Okay, so yep, that's all for today, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have the interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services, and also okay, so for those who yet to join my Telegram, you may subscribe to my Telegram, and I will share the watch list of the day. Must wear double protective glove to catch the falling knife. Why not? Why we want to catch? We just let the knife fall on the floor, and then we only pick up. Okay, right? So we don't catch first. Okay, we let the knife fall on the floor, and then we only pick up lah. So at least safer ma, right? So that's all for tonight, and see you on next live session. Okay, hope by the time our sentiment will turn slightly better. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Thank you, everyone.